Florida just made history in the world of regenerative medicine. A brand new law allows licensed physicians in the state of Florida to now allow stem cell therapies that are not approved by the FDA. This means that cutting-edge treatments for orthopedic injuries, chronic pain, and wound management can not only be offered, but even promoted in the state of Florida. But of course, there are some conditions to follow in order to execute these treatments. Firstly, doctors must get consent that these treatments are not FDA approved, and they must state that these are experimental treatments that the patient is choosing to undergo. Now, the other condition is that these stem cells have to be made in an FDA certified facility that also follows CGMP, which is good manufacturing practice. This just makes sense logically because of course you want to have high standards when it comes to stem cell manufacturing. At the end of the day, you are putting a cell into your body and you want to make sure there's checks and balances to make sure they're high quality. I would like to see this go a step further eventually and see only standardized cell therapy being offered. So instead of just offering the heterogeneous population, meaning you get a variety of stem cell populations, when you isolate a stem cell from umbilical cord or fat, you isolate and you standardize a specific cell population, such as the mu cells, which we've talked about before. To me, this is a big step towards medical freedom, really allowing patients to be empowered and choose treatments that may not be widely accessible are now becoming more accessible. This ultimately helps patients who are in need and who have exhausted the traditional system or are just looking for alternatives to help get them back to a life that they want to live.